So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nafiz here, and I am back here with another tutorial video of my web development series. In this lecture we'll learn about the basic tags of HTML and the basic structure of HTML. So please stay tuned to my video. First of all, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for my future video notifications. So let's get started with today's video. I have opened Notepad for today's lecture, so I recommend you also open your notepad, and I will teach you about the basic tag. What are the tags? So say suppose we have a tag called html and html. So this is a tag, this is a tag, this portion is called opening tag and this portion is called closing tag. So why this portion is called closing tag? Because it has a backslash inside it. That's why it's called a closing tag. And this doesn't have any backslash inside it. That's why this is opening tag. So why we should call this a tag? Because the element, because the code we have written is inside of angular bracket. That's why this is called a tag. This one is also inside of a angular bracket. This one is also a tag. So these are the basic tags, these are the basic things of HTML. You have to understand it very carefully. What are the tags? Because what we will write in HTML, all the things, all the codes are about tags. Those tags we will write, those will make our website. So this is called opening tag and this is called the closing tag. So suppose if we need to write some other codes here. So we have a head, close, head. So I have a great tip for you here. Because of you are new or you are advanced, it doesn't matter. Always when you start a code, please close the code immediately, close the tag immediately. This is a great this is a great practice for you, because when you have hundreds of lines of code, if you don't give the closing tag, then you have to revise your code where you have missed one closing tag. So that will make a very mess in your code. So please, when you start a code, when you start a tag, please close the tag immediately. After that you can write your code inside here. So it's so easy. Let me write another code. Okay, you don't need to understand everything right now. I will teach you everything, I'll tell you everything step by step. So please stay with my video. So we have head tag here and we have a body tag here and we have HTML tag here. We need, this is the basic structure of HTML, because we are saying here this is the starting of our HTML and this is the closing of our HTML. So inside of this HTML tag we need to write our every HTML code, because this one is the initial, is the indication of starting HTML and this one is the indication of ending the HTML file. So inside this we need to write our code. Now if we save this, Control S, okay, we need to save as Control Shift S. So we name it first website dot html. You always need to give dot html extension to your HTML file, because this is the indication of your file format dot html. If you don't give dot html to your HTML file, that won't be a HTML file, that will be a simple text file. So your browser couldn't be able to open that. So when you save it, the extension will be dot html. We are saving it. Now let's see what happened. Look, we have our file here. This is saying fast website. This is this have a Chrome icon here, because my default browser is Chrome. That's why my default browser have indicate that this is a website. So this is opening in Chrome. If I open this, we can see our website here. don't uh, don't be afraid if you saw a blank page, because we haven't written anything inside of our website. So this is the name of our website, first website, and the body is blank because our body tag is empty. So from here to bottom, this is the body part of our website, and this portion is the head of our website. So say suppose we need our website name here. So what can we do? We go to our head file and we need to write another code. That code will be title, and close it. Title, inside of our title tag we will write our website name. So say suppose we say tutorial website. If we save this and refresh this, we we can clearly see that our website name has been changed to tutorial website, because we have given the title of our website tutorial website. That's why our website name has been changed. So HTML is so easy to understand and easy to learn. So please do stay with my video. You will learn HTML so easily that you can imagine, because HTML is so easy. I will go through step by step everything here. So look, inside of our head, because this is our head of our website, we have written title tag because this is the title of our website, and given the title tutorial website. That's why the name we are seeing here is tutorial website. So this is our body. So if we write anything inside of our body, that will be shown inside of this black white page, because that's the body of our website. So suppose we write this is a demo text. If I save this and run this, we can see this is a demo text. We are seeing this because we have written this inside of our body tag. Inside of our body tag, this is the starting of our body tag, and this is the closing of our body tag. That's why we are seeing the text inside of our website's body. So this was all for today's video. I hope you understand the basic structure of HTML and what are the tags and what is the title and what is the body tag. In our future video I'll also talk about this again, so don't be afraid. If you haven't understand it, please go through the video again. This is so easy. So till next time, bye bye, take care.